In today's lesson, we're diving into the exciting world of trading apps and how you can place your first trade with confidence. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to sharpen your skills, this lesson will walk you through the essentials. What is a trading app? A trading app is a platform that allows you to buy and sell assets like stocks, indices, currencies, commodities, and more, all from your smartphone or computer. It gives you real-time market access, tools for analysis, and the ability to execute trades instantly. Why use a trading app? Trading apps offer incredible benefits: convenience, trade from anywhere, real-time market updates, stay informed, user-friendly interface, easy navigation, lower costs, fewer fees compared to traditional brokers, fast execution, instant order placements. Choosing the right trading app. Not all trading apps are the same. Consider these factors before signing up. Security and regulation. Ensure the app is trusted. Asset availability. Check if your preferred markets are included. User experience. Look for a smooth, intuitive design. Fees and commissions. Compare costs. Research tools. Does it offer charts, news, and analysis? Customer support. Good support is crucial. Setting up your account. Download and install the app. Register and verify identity. Provide necessary documents. Fund your account. Deposit money through a bank transfer or card. Explore the app interface. Get familiar with charts, order types, and portfolio tracking. Placing your first trade. Choose an asset. Search for a stock, indices, currency pairs, or commodities. Analyze the market. Use charts, indicators, and news updates. Select an order type. Market order. Instant trade at the current price. Limit order. Trade at a specific price. Stop loss and take profit. Manage risks. Enter trade details and confirm. Double-check before executing. Monitor your trade, track performance, and adjust if needed. Pro tips for success. Start with a demo account to practice. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Use stop-loss orders to minimize risk. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk. Stay informed with market news. Trading apps make investing easy and accessible. By choosing the right app, learning the basics, and following a strategy, you can confidently place your first trade.